What's going on, YouTube? How you guys doing today? So today, before I unbox and tell you guys about these sneakers, let me just make a quick comment real quick, right? I just want to talk about something real quick, right? In my comment area on my videos, I've been seeing a couple of comments, people saying that, oh, listen, the word you say snicker, you say snigger. First of all, let me tell you guys something, all right? I'm a black man, you understand what I'm saying? I was born in Africa, okay, and I grew up in the United States, all right? I have a little bit of accent, so when I say snicker, it might sound like snigger, but I ain't saying snigger, I'm saying sneaker, all right? I ain't finna to sit here and look like a damn nerd, talking about these sneakers, these sneakers. What I look like, man? You understand what I'm saying? I'm a proud black man. I ain't dissing no other person that's got the color of my skin. If you're in my comment, you gotta cut that out. You understand what I'm saying? I'm not dissing my own people. I'm not dissing any race. I'm not against anybody that has my own skin. And I'm not saying that word. Although I will say that word if I love you as a brother. That's my, this dude's my, that's my. You understand what I'm saying? But other than that, I don't need to use that word for anybody. I love my skin. I love the same people that have the same skin as I do. So stop that nonsense. Okay, let's get to these sneakers, okay? Today I'm here to review and unbox Nike React 270. Without saying anything else, let's take a look at these sneakers. Let's see what it looks like. And if you don't have these sneakers yet, Nike React 270, they come in a box that looks just like this. Let me give you guys a 360 of these sneakers real quick, all right? Now, let me tell you guys something, right? The first thing that I notice about these sneakers is how light these sneakers are. They're very light, all right? I love that it's so light. I love the multicolor. I love all the color on these sneakers. They're very sexy. You understand what I'm saying? It's got orange, pink, brown, gray, orange. It's got every color in it. You understand what I'm saying? It comes with a little tag. Nike React with the 270 bubbles, all right? These bubbles right here, Nike has been putting these bubbles in Jordans and also Air Maxes, different Nike sneakers. They're very comfortable bubbles. However, through my experience wearing Air Max 270s that has these bubbles, it took me a year and a half to bust them open because I run with them all the time. They're good quality, but it only lasts you maybe a year and a half. That's it. You understand what I'm saying? I still got them sneakers, but they're busted. You know what I'm saying? The bubbles are busted. So you know the design of the Nike Reacts, they come in this type of design. When you look at the bottom of the sneaker, it's kind of dope. You know what I'm saying? All right, and you see where the bubbles are. See a Nike check sign on the back where the bubbles are. You press that, you can feel the bubbles underneath. You press that. These sneakers right here are $150 retail. They are very, very sexy sneakers, man. These right here are sexy. You know what I'm saying? Definitely. I can see me dressing down this with different colors. As a matter of fact, these are actually like summer colors. You understand what I'm saying? So these are definitely dope. I've not come to the end of my video, guys. Thank you for watching my video. If you're watching this video for the first time, please click that subscribe button, click that share button. Feel free to make a comment, all right? And if you're new to this channel, click that subscribe button, click that share button, click that like button, and feel free to make a comment. And until next time, maybe you might have these on. Maybe you might not. Who knows? On these.